Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Reddit step by step. If you've recently created a Reddit account or want to update your username, here's what you need to know. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Reddit website. Sign in to your Reddit account if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Next, click on the Profile tab. Scroll down until you find the Display Name section. If you're trying to change the name that appears on your profile, enter your new display name here. Once you've finished, your changes will be saved automatically. However, if you're trying to change your actual Reddit username, it's important to know that Reddit only allows this in very limited situations. If you created your account using a Google account or Apple ID and haven't finalized your username yet, you'll see an option to Change Username. Click Change Username. Enter your preferred username and check if it's available. If the username is available, confirm your choice. Keep in mind that once you confirm your Reddit username, it cannot be changed again. In that case, the only way to use a different username is to create a new Reddit account. And that's it. You've learned how to change your username on Reddit and when it's possible to do so. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Reddit tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.